This patio area is almost done. We're just graveling it. We have one load of the pea gravel in here just for the base. Now we're getting the cement rock, which is the larger gravel. And one load almost finished it. Just probably need 2 more of the bigger bucketfuls. So we're gonna go get another load. And this area will be done, right, Moo-moo? At a later time, we might decide to add pavers in here. Just kind of space them out. But for now, it's just going to be the gravel. We're trying to go with the same concept as this seating area. Plus the gravel is nice, easy to work with. It's quick, and it makes for a nice looking surface. It's very clean. Plus the larger gravel doesn't wash away like the wood chips. So let me do a flashback and show you a few clips of when we installed this patio. Okay, well, the gravel is laid down. That looks 100% better than when we had the mulch. I just wet everything down. Still have to tamp everything down a little bit. But I think that looks amazing. Looks really good. Now we just have to put all the furniture back in. Okay, gravel down and everything put back together. I think it looks awesome. I had to wash the carpet or the rug, because it was just on dirt and the dirt was caked into it. So I'm probably gonna have to rinse it off a couple times to get it completely clean. And then plus with rain, hopefully it'll wash some of that off too. Now that it's on gravel, the dirt won't get stuck to it. But everything's looking good. Look how big the 4 o'clock is. That actually grows natural here with the beautiful purple blooms. Pretty plant. I don't know if I've actually showed you this area since I've gotten everything up. I had a video where we installed these glass panels, but I added decorations to them there. I think they look better. Plus, it helps birds notice that there's glass there. That way they don't run into them. And these here were little candle holders, but I turned them into planters. I just put a pot in them. I think it looks better than candle holders. Jeff's gonna test it out. He actually matches. He's wearing red and beige. That's kind of the theme in here, is red and beige and black. But it looks good. I'm really pleased with it. You ready to go, Moo-moo? Let's go get some breakfast and go get some more gravel. We are in Williams. We've come to eat breakfast at the Goldie's Route 66 Diner. I love their food. That's what I got, but it's not ready yet. This is the corned beef and hash breakfast. But I did get a pancake. Bruce got Jeff's dinner. Breakfast. It's just breakfast, right?
Just big breakfast.
Oh, just big breakfast. I'm just waiting for mine. Breakfast. Yum, yum. Thank you. Just got some gravel. Yay. From the local hardware store. Well, it's finally finished, and I think it looks amazing. I decided to move this umbrella here. It covers this, it spans the whole patio, and it's amazing. But Jeff and I had to end up cementing this in. This is it expanded, and like I said, it spans the whole patio. It'll provide nice shade on those hot, sunny days. It's definitely much easier than installing a roof like we did for the deck. Oh yeah, and since the patio is much larger than the deck, we went ahead and moved the movie screen over here, and this will be the theater area. Like I said, at a later time, we might add pavers into the patio area, but we had enough gravel to extend it all the way, finish the walkway, and also do this sitting area and in front of the laundry room. I think that looks much cleaner and better than the dirt. I'm definitely going to leave the bark mulch here in the pathways just because it didn't get washed away. It settled nicely here. But here and here we have a problem with water washing away. The mulch is just too light. So this whole area here, all into here, is going to get the gravel. And then I'm going to do stepping stones in here. But I think that'll just continue from this area and it'll look better. Good morning. It's several days later and I've got a few things done that I want to show you. It's actually a very beautiful day. We're not supposed to have rain for the next couple of days, so perfect for working on projects. I was able to get all this pathway raked up and the mulch transferred into the garden area, which in my opinion looks so much better with the mulch laid down. I've laid the cardboard down and I bought steer manure to add into the compost that I've already laid down. This is compost that I've made myself. There was a little windstorm, it's kind of blown the cardboard here and there, so I'm going to have to redo that. I need to amend this whole bed with the manure and get the cardboard down. The lemon cucumbers that I planted here are starting to do well. Better hurry because fall is coming. I got started a bit later than I wanted to. I do have a tomato ripening back there. It's a Bonnie original variety. I've planted several types in here, and this one and the Roma were the only ones that seemed to survive. I did a Roma over here and it didn't survive, and a Better Boy over here and it didn't survive. And I had some cherries next to the eggplant. They didn't do well either. Once this bed is done, I'm going to re-amend it for next year. Hopefully the plants will do better next year. But I might actually plant something different here. I might just actually do the Romas here. I interplanted these Romas with the basil and they did well. These I interplanted with onions, not so much. But yeah, I need to get started on this pathway here. We went to town and picked up another load of gravel. I'm not sure if this will finish the walkway. We might need 2 loads. The truck can only hold half a yard because of the weight issues. It could actually fit probably a whole yard in here, but it gets too heavy for the truck because I think the weight limit is 1,500 pounds and half a yard is 14, so we're right there. Jeff and Jimmy put down the gravel in spots here. I'm going to rake this out. You can hear the noise in the background. Donnie is going to install the bar top here. He's breaking up the pallets right now. Are you having fun?
No, these flies are nasty.
Oh yeah, they can be. Oh my God. Look at that fly trap. It works. Holy moly. There's just banana in there. That's all that we used as bait. Wow. Sounds like bees buzzing. Well, I'm excited about this. Yay! Bar top. All the way across. Hey, moo-moo. Well, I was able to rake it all out, and we got the pathway done. Well, I'm definitely glad that that's done before everybody gets here. I might have to go get another load just to do some fill-ins, because there's some spots that were kind of raked thin, and I'd like the gravel to be a little thicker than that. But I can go do that later. I'm just glad that it's done, and it's walkable for people to trample all over. Trample. Did I say trample? I meant trample. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. And I'm going to do the closing where we went and celebrated Jimmy's birthday. See you later. Bye for now. Mwah. So we've come to Flagstaff, and we're here at Mother Road Brewery because it is somebody's birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jimmy!
Thank you.
You old ass. Happy birthday. Wait, how old are you now? Are we going to tell? Are
74.
Oh my God, doesn't he look good?
He looks good for
Reverse that.
He looks good for 74.
We've got Rady here.
Don't I look good for 74?
We've got Jeff, Donnie, Jennifer and Jason, and of course Olive. Hey, Olive.
You can't see any of her features.
And
Oh my
dinner,
God.
and Sue was
He's
there.
And there's
Oh, yeah.
Colleen.
Oh wait, and Colleen. Look at, she's the first one to get a drink.
I wanted an Irish coffee. They don't even have it.
Oh no.
So I got a coffee stout.
Oh
Here.
cool. It looks awful dark.
Yeah, it's a stout.
Yeah, that's a little
There's the moo-moo. Moo-moo! Are you excited to be out of the car? Yes, you are. No. You know better than to do that to me. No.
It is a
Here,
dog
shake.
park. Look at
Good
them all.
girl.
It's the dog park.